Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the LD Waffle by Nike in collaboration with Japanese luxury fashion brand Sacai and streetwear label CLOT in the orange blaze colorway. This released in mid-September 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £150. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from Foot Patrol London, and it comes in an orange Sacai and Nike box with the style code being DH1347-100. Open up the box comes with shoes in white Nike and Sacai branded wrapping paper. It includes an extra set of deep red laces, which is a nice touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the Sacai and CLOT LD Waffle. This orange blaze colorway takes the design cues from the previous Nike Air Max 1 CLOT, this time featuring a low grain suede light tan upper, with hits of orange and ruby red on its tongue, stacked midsole, and double swoosh on the mid panel. Nike and Sacai CLOT logos can be seen at the heel, tongue, and insole. All of this sits on a gum outsole. Its signature look is that translucent TPE toe box. The hits of green and reptilian orange swooshes adds a really nice pop to the trainer. But personally, I can't see myself wearing such a bold design. I stay true to size. I found it a little bit tight at the forefoot, but I recommend staying true to size if you're not a wide footer like me. So did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out or did you pass? That's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment below to show me you watched this video to the end. It's at Samuel Sagwa on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.